In this video, I'll detail how to turn on color palette on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy device and you want to make use of the color palette but don't know how to turn this on or how you can easily enable it, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn on or enable color palette on Samsung Galaxy device is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. Then under wallpaper and style, locate color palette and click on that. Here you see choose a palette based on color from your wallpaper, turn that on, and come here, turn on color palette. Then you can choose wallpaper color or basic color from here. So switch between the wallpaper color you want to use as your color palette on your Samsung Galaxy device. And this is a sample of how the color palette is going to be. Then once you are done, you can also apply color palette to app icons, turn this on or disable it. Then click on the apply button once you are done. Once you click on the apply button once you're done, this color palette is going to be applied across all your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then you can then go back to your home screen. You should see the color palette like this. That's it. So that's how you can easily turn on or enable color palette on Samsung Galaxy device. Found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.